Hello everyone, my name is Shunji and this is demonstration video for my final project. My final project is called a Smart Goal, a goal planning and organizing web application, and this is for course 699, Applied Project in Computer Information Science in HU. Okay, let's start. First, I'm going to introduce the login page. I'm using Auth0 to provide us this user authentication. I already have this user registered called test@gmail.com, and I have password saved. And I continue. In my phone, there will be a push up, and I just click allow. You are unable to see it, but you can see it will be redirected to this home page. And if I click logout, and this will be back into the login page. And in this case, if I'm trying to go to the home page, and it will just redirect to the login page that provide us a protection for the home page. And now I want to create another user in case I already have a user there. So let me test another user, test user 2, and I can type any password randomly, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, maybe it's not easy. And you need to have a few requirements. And continue. Save it. Continue. And it requires me to register a multi-authentication. I'm gonna register it in my phone. Okay, then I have it already. And let me log into this new page. Accept. test2@email.com. Okay, now it's supposed to be authenticated. Yes, this will be a brand new web application for this user, test2@gmail.com. I'm gonna create my first email. First folder called like first folder. I click enter and it will go there. And there will be nothing here. I'm gonna create my first goal. And first goal, yeah, and click this button, it will be created. And inside it, I want to create a few subtasks. And please understand, try to understand this part is this goal and task are parent and child relationship. Means each goal can have multiple child tasks, and each so is a folder. Each folder can have multiple child goals. So if you click here, it will be this goal will be loaded automatically. And now I'm gonna demonstrate this measure method one. So for example, first one is a progress measure. Progress, and the other thing doesn't matter at the moment, right? So doesn't matter. Progress. Okay, I created it. This will be the progress measured task. For instance, I can click here. I think this task has been done by 45. Yeah, this is 45. And this will be automatically updated based on this. I can also create a one-time task. For instance, one-time task. I select one time. Yes. And this one will be automatically updated too because I create another task. Means this goal will be require more step to finish, right? So, but this time if I click it, oh, it will automatically become this 100, and this will be updated accordingly. The last one will be steps. Step task. And can select step. And in this case, you can select how many steps do you require. And I just want 7 steps maybe. Click add. See here, and this task will be like there will be 7 steps here, and currently we're in the step 1. I click the next button. I think, oh, I finished the first, second, third, fourth, 7, 6, 7, and 100. Yeah. And now this task is done. But still, this goal is still not finished. Why? Because the first progress is still 45%. So I can click to final one. Now this goal is completed, right? This is the first part of this demonstration. This is done by the last semester, and next target will be demonstrate the priority matrix. I think it's very important as well. Let me create another one, perhaps effort and impact priority matrix. All right. Effort, impact, goal. Effort, impact, goal. Okay. And now I'm going to create a first one. Now I'm going to create the first task, effort, impact priority matrix, which have two dimensions. The first is effort level, and another one is impact level, and you can select inside the task. You already see it. The first one will be created a quick win task. What is a quick win task? It means that it has a high value but less effort, which means you can cost less effort but can achieve big, right? So like high value, less effort. Higher value, for example, less effort, perhaps 2, but high impact will be like 8. And importance doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This also doesn't matter. Okay, add it. This will quick win. The second one will be a major task. Then major project, sorry. Now what would be a major project? It requires high effort, but also high value, right? In this case, it's high impact. This one will be, for example, 9. This one also be 9, right? Other part doesn't matter. Select whatever I want here. And I create another one. Fill-ins. Fill-ins task. Well, it's means low value and low effort task, right? So, like, it doesn't take a lot of effort. It also doesn't have so much impact. Other thing doesn't matter. Create it. Okay. Last one will be thankless tasks. What is thankless task? It means that low value but high effort, right? It means that you spend a lot of time on it, but it doesn't give you anything in return, right? I'm gonna give you like 9 effort, but maybe 1 impact. Means this task is thankless task. Just don't do it. I click create, and you can see here I already have all the tasks created. And now I go to priority matrix, and I click effort impact priority matrix. You can see here. Cool. These are automatically created. Major task here, the major projects, quick wins, fill-ins, and thankless tasks, right? So for instance, if I created another major task, tip. Yes, doesn't matter here. It's still also like 8. I changed the number a little bit, alright. One time, yeah, I created major task 2, right? I'm going here. See, it's displayed here. But if I think, oh, this one is done already, click it. Yeah, this one is done. And go back here and click again. This task is gone, right? This tab should be automatically updated. Okay, the next one I'm gonna demonstrate the importance and urgency priority matrix. Importance, urgency, PM. Okay, let me see. First, create the goal. Every task will be located inside a goal. Urgency and importance PM goal. Same one, urgency and importance PM go. Okay, I created a similar case. There also have 4 types. We can come here directly. You can click here. You can see we are classified as do next, do now, do never, and do last. Okay, and I'm gonna create it here. First will be do now. What is do now task? Do now task is like, it's very important and very urgent, right? Then in this case, the first 2 doesn't matter. So for example, this is very important, like 9, and very urgent, for instance, today, right? Created. Okay, this is do it now. Then I'll be like do next. What is do next? Do next? It means like very important, but not so urgent, right? Okay, this is also 9. Perhaps I can change it to 8. I think so. But yeah, let's try another one. 10. It's also very urgent, but wait, let me just keep it. Yeah, like 8. Not so urgent. Perhaps the end of this month, right? Created. This one be do next, right? And do last. What is do last task? It means like not so important and but very urgent. We will consider it as do last. Why? Because it's not important. Even it's urgent, right? You can always postpone it, right? Even it's urgent. And in this case, I'm gonna say set this not so important, maybe 2. And but it's very urgent, perhaps tomorrow, right? One time. Yes. And that's one will be do never task. So what is a do never task? Means not important and not urgent at all. So not important, for instance, 2 as well. Not urgent. The end of the month again. Yeah, created. You can see we have 4 tasks already. Do now, do next, do last, and do never, right? We have 4 already. And let's go to the priority matrix and click this one. Cool, they are classified correctly. Like do it now. See, do it now, do next, do never, and do last. And in each section, you can see the subject and description, so that you can understand what this task are. And for this project, we still have a lot to improve. For example, we need to have a way to update existing items. We only have a add and delete functionality. We need to have an update one. Perhaps we can do some nicer UI for this priority matrix. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.